because of his quality of the shepherdhood. From a humble background, being brought out of something that was not mere seen like very important in the family, but he was exalted to be the king, of which he encountered many things. But the Lord delivered him. He had an opportunity to stand and praise the Lord and thank the Lord as well. In Psalms 104:3 is attributed to King David and is widely regarded as a personal hymn of praise, written during the later years of his life. While it functions as a public psalm of thanksgiving, his primary immediate audience is David himself, acting as a man, the mirror. This we can refer to Psalm 103, verses 15. He reflects as a mirror, praising the Lord and seeing how the Lord has exalted him and what he has passed through and where he is in life. When I talk of a mirror, referring to the text, he looks himself and says, "Dama chaloya mumakado lum, chalachana lum mane pangalo mati to oki." And as you are seated today down here, there are people whom you know, and even at this point they could have been alive. They could have been doing greater things, but next second. What about you today? Can't you look at the mercies of the Lord upon you? And that is David. Praise the Lord. Psalms 103 is unique in that it is described as pure praise, with no petition or request, such as his compassion in removing transgression. Equator, as far as the east is from the west. Ugoloricho mabor kakaibo borkodokui. That is what David is praising the Lord and see in his heart. Friends, we are preparing in our heart. And you must have something that you can say, this I must thank the Lord for his goodness upon my life. Here, David thanked the Lord. These are the reasons that made David to thank the Lord in his life. One, deliverance from enemies. Many a time the Lord would deliver David from the enemies. David frequently thanked God for protection and rescue from those seeking his life, including King Saul, who wanted to kill him that day or night, but the Lord protected him. Lord rescued David. We have seen social media and how the issue of killing, and especially ile ya kupiga watu na chuma kichwani, it is now trending in our town.